do you make photos smaller on the iPhone? Let me explain it and show you a couple of ways how it could work. But if you're new here on Foxtecc and first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So at first we have the built-in method of cropping and resizing the images. So if I open any picture in my gallery, I can click on the edit button, and from the buttons at the bottom, I can click on a crop like this and grab either the corner or the side like this and resize the image to a square, or cut out some parts which I don't want there to stay. Depends on what I prefer. I can also choose a fixed aspect ratio of, for example, square, or the vertical or horizontal. Depends on how I like it, but that's how you can kind of like resize it to fit a specific aspect ratio or frame. So that's fine, and that's how it works using the built-in tools for cropping, whatever. But if you want to be a little bit more specific with it, and if you want to resize it in plenty of different ways, well, you can get an app from the App Store, which I'm going to link to below, so you can just go to the description and get it. But this is the app which I'm talking about. It's called Image Size, or Resize Image. You can click on it like this, and this is an app which gives you much more precision in resizing photos. So when you click on the gallery to import a clip like this, you can see that I can choose this one, for example, click on choose, and literally select the pixel size. So I can choose that this image is supposed to be 1000 by, I don't know, 500 pixels, right? So 1000 on the width and 500 of the height. Exactly how I want it, right? But I can also just kind of like change it, right? I can also choose that the width is going to be 500 and that the height is going to be 1000. And the point is that you have more precision with it. You can go specifically by size, and not only by pixels, as you can also choose the millimeters or centimeters or inches, whatever you like. But this is like a little bit more of a professional way to resize the photos. Obviously, there are even more professional methods like using Photoshop and so on, but this is like a nice way to get more out of the resizing process. Just don't forget to hit the download to make sure that the photo gets saved into your gallery. But that's going to be about it for me. I hope that I was able to help you. Let me know your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the future videos as well.